Do you want to know how you can log in to your Flagstar Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Flagstar Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Flagstar Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page. Now click Login and select the type of account. After you choose your account, you can see that the username and password has appeared. Go ahead and write down your Flagstar username and your Flagstar password and then click Sign In or Login. After you click Login, you can successfully log in to your Flagstar Mortgage account. If you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links which will help you to recover your password and change your username. If you still don't have a Flagstar account, go ahead and click Sign Up and create a Flagstar Mortgage account for yourself. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go to flagstar.com, click Login, and then select the type of account, which is either My Loans or online banking. Then write down your username, your password, and then click Login. This way, you will log in to your Flagstar Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.